Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a website called Xas One, a site that claims to give away free Robux just by entering your Roblox username and completing a task. Sounds amazing, right? But is it actually legit or just another scam in disguise? So here's how it works, or says it works. You go to the site, type in your Roblox username, choose how much Robux you want, ranging from 1,700 all the way up to 50,000, and then it asks you to complete a quick verification task to prove you're not a robot. The Robux amounts all show as $0.00, which already feels a little too good to be true. I followed the steps exactly. Entered a test username, chose an amount, and did the task. But instead of receiving Robux, I got redirected to a random page. No Robux ever appeared in the account. And that's where the red flags start piling up. First, there are no user reviews for this site anywhere, not on Trustpilot, Reddit, or anywhere else. That's a big warning sign, especially for a site that claims to offer something so popular. Then there's the lack of any official connection to Roblox. If this was a real partnership, wouldn't Roblox mention it on their site? But there's nothing, zero evidence of that. The design of the site feels fake, too. It shows a partners program with someone called Sophia Tata 26, but there's no proof she exists or is affiliated with Roblox. Plus, the domain was just registered in 2025, so the site is brand new and has no history or reputation. Add to that, no contact info, no company name, no About Us page. It's all hidden. And promising tens of thousands of Robux for free? That's not realistic. Most likely, this site is just trying to collect your data without giving anything in return. So is Xas One legit? It definitely doesn't look like it. Stay safe and don't fall for this one.